While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost forecasts and getting more financial backer consideration as a result of how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG organization is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this underestimated coin is acquiring additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG organization project and the story behind it. The ongoing cost going off is being credited to financial backer fervor. OMG Organization Group is carrying out a few new turns of events, which should be visible on their undertaking site. OMG token holders are qualified for BOBA administration token, which has been in the news as of late. As per the task site, BOBA organization is an Ethereum Layer 2 hopeful roll-up scaling arrangement. The point is to lessen gas charges, further develop the exchange throughput and expand the capacities of shrewd agreements. In light of our OMG cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The OMG organization cost figure for 2026 is $19.232. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 283.72%. As per their OMG cost gauge, the coin could cross $7.30 before the current year's over and $9.67 by 2026. Taking into account OMG has acquired than 200% in 2021 however is as yet 70% beneath its pinnacle, it has grabbed financial backers' eye. On the off chance that the DeFi and NFT space keeps on warming up and the BOBA network turns into a hit with engineers, OMG organization cost could detonate, and its worth could become 10 times by 2025. OMG organization expectations, toward the beginning of December 2022, the cost will be around $4.72. A greatest cost of $4.96, the base cost of $4.20 for December 2022. The typical OMG organization cost for December 2022 is $4.58. OMG organization cost gauge toward the finish of December 2022 is $4.72. As per our specialized examination and estimate on past value information of OMG, in 2022, the cost of OMG organization is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $4.98. The OMG cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $5.98 with a typical exchanging cost of $5.14. The OMG organization cost is estimated to reach $4.01510 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $5.01888. The base cost is $3.41284. The OMG organization cost figure for the year's end is $3.35702. OMG specialized investigation. In the event that we see how well it is doing, the OMG organization cost is at 3 years high, with the ongoing cost exchanging at $5. This high, whenever proceeded, can overwhelm 4 years high in something like a year, gave it keeps a decent up-moving business sector. The value history of OMG organization isn't that great in the past 2 years. The cost changes have not been fascinating for crypto exchanging this time span. The drop in cost in 2018 was predominantly because of the restricting of OMG digital money in the trades, bringing about high unpredictability at those key levels. With its new high of $5.01 since its underlying stages, OMG organization seems to be a decent chance for merchants. In any case, is it adequate at this cost to purchase OMG Organize? Is the OMG market currently far beyond the best passage point? How about we find out with the specialized examination? The ongoing cost of OMG organization is $5.01, with the crypto positioning at number 101. The market capitalization of OMG organization is around $699,630,149.64 and a circling supply of around 140,245,398 OMG coins, which is the most extreme coin limit. The most recent 24 hours ups and downs have been $5.10 and $4.80, individually. The collection has been consistently expanding throughout the past year and is as yet predictable, with the OMG breaking out the present moment, beating different estimates. The ongoing business sector cost shows a positive feeling developing, with the predictable cost volume activity connoted by the green lines on volume. The diagram is way over the illustrative SAR, and the gathering, circulation pointer is additionally moving upwards pleasantly. The passage for merchants could be the new high framed, yet it is smarter to have a decent solidification and put market orders when the cost drop reoccurs. This is a decent procedure to enter utilizing the cup and handle design. However long the cost stays over its 50-day moving normal, the section ought to be great for merchants to use as a passage. The benefit taking can be made by involving exit systems for cryptos since they are significantly more unpredictable. So utilizing the right leave methodology to bring in cash is the only thing that is in any way important. Utilizing a short union base, a broker or financial backer can enter during the development of the OMG organization and leave when the instability is low. OMG Organization Value Expectations, 2022 to 2026. As the reception rate for Ethereum Layer 2 arrangements keeps on rising, it will be great for OMG Organization also. The OMG cost expectation for 2022 will undoubtedly be great as the value keeps on taking off new high with right around 300% return in the beyond couple of months. The OMG organization figures around $5.01 for the time being as the instability hasn't hit its most extreme breaking point. In view of the OMG cost forecasts, it is a decent long-haul venture choice. Putting your cash in OMG organization is a decent choice for the future as it has kept an uplifting perspective. OMG Value Forecast 2022. With the OMG cost expectation for 2022 around $5.47, it will probably be the year when the fate of OMG organization will fundamentally think about the cost outline it structures. The OMG value figure of $6.53 is sensibly protected in the event that the reception rate proceeds. The worth of OMG will increment after some time as it collects the consideration of the crypto local area. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain energy according to our OMG organization estimate. Subsequently, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. For a long-haul OMG organization cost expectations, essential specialized investigation is required.